Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to PTE Preparation Series powered by Paragon Overseas Education KSA. Today we are going to do the second episode of PTE, that is speaking and writing. Let's now tackle the first and the longest section of speaking and writing that takes around 30 minutes approx. You'll face around 5 types of questions, that is read aloud, repeat sentences, describe images, retell lectures, and answer short questions. The most important thing for the speaking test is not to go for every question type. We are having around 5 question types, and not all of them are important. 4 of them are extremely important, while answer short questions is not really important. So the student is not really focused on that, so we can just skip that. Talking about the tips of speaking, students need to speak very clearly with natural tone and pace. The student needs to pause not more than 3 seconds and use intonations and streaks to sound fluent. Pronunciation is really very important while you're speaking, and the content is also very important. So the second module for a Pearson English testing system is writing. And in writing, we are having around 2 question types. The first one is summarized written text, and the other one is essay writing. In summarizing text, one should write a single sentence for around 60 words and with no other full stop. Single full stop is needed. While in essay writing, one should write around 200 to 300 words on each topic that is given to the student. Okay, so we are going to discuss about some of the tips. For essay writing, students should plan their essay very accurately. There should be a proper introduction, then a body paragraph. They could just list body paragraph 1, 2, or 3 as much as they could write it. And the other one is the last part would be conclusion. They are supposed to use some of the linking words like moreover, however, therefore, additionally, firstly, secondly. They could use this in summarizing text, and they are supposed to be so much focused for the word limit. For detailed preparation and personalized guidance, students can enroll into our IELTS and PTE test preparation series and score their required bands. For more details, contact us on the given number on the screen or email us on the mentioned email. Thank you. Have a good day.